Hello, today we are going to see how we can convert PDF table into Excel file into an Excel sheet. So here you can see that some information is here, also a table is here. So if we want to convert this data into an Excel file, it will be very easy, but you can do it. So let's get started, because we cannot type or copy all these things one by one and put in the Excel file. It will very time consuming, so rather we can use the formula or you can easily convert it. So let's get started. We are opening an Excel file. I'm opening. I'm taking a blank workbook. So from here you will go to data, and from data you will go to get data. From where? From file. So what type of file? So PDF file. So select this one. Now I have the file in my desktop. So table data, so I am selecting this one and import. So it's taking a bit time. Okay, we're waiting. Now you see that here two pages, one is table and another is page. Page means all the information and the table, and separately only the table. So as we need just this table, so I am bringing this one. So select this table and just press load. Okay, so it's done. So already you can see all this information are here. So let's check. We can make it smaller. So if I put it together, you can see that this Honda and this amount, everything is same, and you can now edit and do all these things. So this is very easy and you can easily do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching.